Good morning, everyone. Finally, I have given up to the hype about OpenClaw. Everyone is talking about this particular, uh, you can say, a different way of working with agents. It's a different thing that we were talking about. OpenClaw is, as you can see, there are few steps that we have done to taking from the documentation using command prompt, how to install this particular thing as well. The easiest way that I did was in Windows, just take the command prompt, just use this particular thing. If you have some dependencies, you need to install it. Very basic engineering. Once you do that couple of steps, it took couple of minutes, as you can see in my command prompt, and it installed OpenClaw, and it runs on WSL2. And if you can see, it is written here, it's still a hobby project, security warning. So before it gets a little bit more standardized and operationalized, but it's a very good way to get into it. And I thought that into community I will do this particular thing, and now I have understood this is a powerful and inherent risk. Do you want to continue? By default it took no. So if you can see, so you need to understand, so this is a security warning, and this thing. So what we need to do is, let us try to see whether the is installed or not. Let us go to the documentation. Let us try to do OpenClaw onboard, and then it is going to start the thing. So now I am working very closely, so it has given us all the warnings, but now I am just going ahead because I'm just doing a testing project for this and taking it further. So see, here it is showing yes or no. So here I want to do yes. So just because it's an experimental project, onboarding is let us do quick start. I want to configure with the details. So the model that they are asking, which model I want to use. So I will start with OpenAI, and I need to give the OpenAI API key. So this is the first step that they are asking. So let me just get my OpenAI key. So I got my OpenAI key here from my colab notebook. Control. So I pasted it up here. Just did enter. So they're asking me for a model. So make sure here you select for this testing because it's going to be a little costly. So I am going to just take GPT 4.1 Nano because I don't want to take a little bit risk. So now they're asking where do you want to use it. Here, right? Select channels. I will just say right now I will skip for now because I just want to do the testing. I don't want to make it for a specific thing that is there. So asking it about some status, configure skills. Now this is all the skills that we were discussing about skills.md. I will say let me just try to do yes. So install missing skill dependencies. Let me just do open because I'm going to use a little bit OpenAI for image. So I will just take image, press space to select, enter to submit. Right, for now I will just take an image. Later on I can just do other things. So enter, space, select, and then this is done, and then enter. So Google Places key, I will, for now I will say no. I don't want Google Places key. Set Google Places key for no purpose, I will say no. Gemini no. Notion no. 11 no. Skip for now. Enter, space, enter. Quick start node. So now it is installing the gateway. So I've just kept it minimal. You can do later with more specific things that are there. You can always uninstall and run it properly. So now this is the step of using this particular step. So that I'm just going with the flow of this OpenClaw documentation as well. So it is using this environment. It is telling us to set up everything. Then onboarding overview. So it is giving this as we are doing the onboarding in a CLI. So let us do this CLI. So this is what we are doing, very basic level, this thing, model authentication, gateway, channel, skills. So now if you see something loaded up, it is taking some time to pick up. So let me reload. So onboarding complete, dashboard open, keep that tab to open the control flow.